Tired of feeling like your financial data is constantly under surveillance? You're not alone. In today's world, it seems like every online transaction leaves a digital footprint. But what if there was a way to regain some of your privacy? Enter Beam Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet that prioritizes user anonymity. But does using Beam require you to sacrifice your privacy by undergoing Know Your Customer (KYC) procedures? Let's dive in. Now, for those unfamiliar, KYC is a set of regulations that financial institutions use to verify the identity of their customers. This typically involves providing personal information like your full name, address, date of birth, and even government-issued identification. While KYC procedures are meant to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes, they also raise concerns about privacy and data security. Many cryptocurrency platforms have embraced KYC as a way to comply with regulations and ensure a safer trading environment. However, this often comes at the expense of user privacy. Your personal information is collected and stored in databases that can be vulnerable to hacks or even government surveillance. This is where Beam Wallet comes into play. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol. This protocol offers enhanced privacy features, such as confidential transactions and transaction mixing, making it incredibly difficult to track the origin and destination of funds. But does this privacy come at the cost of having to go through lengthy KYC procedures? The short answer is no. Beam Wallet does not require any KYC. This is a significant advantage for users who value their privacy. By eliminating the need for KYC, Beam Wallet allows users to maintain control over their personal information. You can transact freely without worrying about your data being collected or shared with third parties. This increased privacy can be particularly beneficial for individuals who live in countries with restrictive financial regulations or those who simply prefer to keep their financial activities private. Furthermore, no KYC can streamline the onboarding process. You can create a Beam wallet and start using it within minutes, without having to wait for your identity to be verified. This ease of use can attract a wider range of users to the cryptocurrency space. Now, you might be wondering, if there's no KYC, how does Beam prevent illegal activities like money laundering? The answer lies in the underlying technology. The Mimblewimble protocol, on which Beam is built, offers strong privacy features while still maintaining a degree of traceability for law enforcement in cases of suspected criminal activity. This allows for a balance between user privacy and regulatory compliance. Beam Wallet is just one example of the growing movement towards privacy-focused cryptocurrencies. As concerns about data privacy continue to grow, we can expect to see more and more cryptocurrencies prioritizing user anonymity. However, it's important to remember that privacy should not be used for malicious purposes. It's crucial to use cryptocurrencies responsibly and ethically. Beam Wallet offers a compelling alternative for users who value their privacy. With its no KYC policy and strong privacy features, Beam allows you to regain control over your financial data. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the risks and benefits before investing in any cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.